In this video, I'm going to show you the simple secret behind writing AI prompts that actually give you clean, realistic results. But before we get into that, welcome to my page. Hi everyone, this is Joy Visual Studio AI. I'm an AI content creator and I teach you how to transform your imagination into reality, creating hyper-realistic AI images step by step using simple prompts that deliver real results. And if you enjoy content like this, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get into it. One of the biggest mistakes most people make when writing AI prompts is this. They write random, incomplete prompts and then expect perfect results. And what do they get? Flat, unrealistic images that don't match what they had in mind. But the secret is very simple. You need to guide the AI properly. Instead of writing random prompts, you need to follow a clear structure. As you can see the prompt I gave to my AI, and look at the images he 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 provided for me. So if you give your AI a good prompt, if you write a good prompt, then he will produce a proper prompt for you. See what I asked him. See what I asked my AI. Sorry, I said him. See what I asked my AI. Let me pause, and you will see. So that you will view the prompt clearly. Look at the results. Now, instead of writing random prompts, you need to follow a clear structure. So now let's build a proper prompt step by step. As you can see the results he provided for me, he produced for me the image, and it's very bad. So now let's build a proper prompt step by step. Before we start providing a proper prompt, one, you need a subject, a details, a lightning, camera settings and quality. That's what you need when providing prompts to your AI. So let's get into that step by step. So now let's build a proper prompt step by step. Step one, start with your subject. I mentioned it before. Your subject is what you want the AI to create. For example, a portrait of a dark skinned woman. Before you even begin, you should already know what you want. You can even use your own picture as a reference to guide the AI. Then step two is your details. Add details. This part is very important. You understand? Describe exactly how you want your image to look like. You are the one to know how your image will look like. So before you describe exactly how you want your image to look like: smooth skin, natural glow, detailed facial features. The more clearer and intentional your details are, the better your results will be. Step three, add lightning. Lightning changes everything. It's very important. It's very, very important. Lightning change everything. Use soft lightning with warm tones to create a clean and realistic look. Step four, add your camera settings. I mentioned all these things before. This helps give your image that professional cinematic feel. Look, you understand? For example, use an 85mm lens with shallow depth of field. It's very important. Your camera, this will be your writing while writing your prompt and providing it to your AI. And step five, add quality. Always define the quality of your image. For example, use words like ultra realistic, 8K and high highly detailed. Now let's combine everything and see what a final prompt look like. For example, see my prompt. You can copy it. You can copy this prompt and use it as an example. Now here is an example. Hyper realistic portrait of a dark skinned woman, smooth skin, natural glow, detailed facial features, soft lighting, warm tones, 85 mm lens, shallow depth of field, ultra detailed 8K. You can see that everything is included: your subject, your details, your lighting, your camera, and your quality. This is how you guide the AI to give you clean, realistic results. Take your time to study this. You can screenshot it, copy it, and practice on your own. Feel free, screenshot it, copy, and practice on your own. See the prompt. So feel free and copy or screenshot and practice on your own. This is exactly what as you can see, this is exactly what I gave my AI, and look at the results. So look at the prompt clearly. So see everything. I added the details, the camera, the quality, even the ratio, the lightning. So I added everything, how I want my image to come out. The details, even the background, I added the background. See the camera and the quality. I added everything. Aesthetics and mood, how I want it to look like, how I want it to look like how I want it to look like, my pose, everything. So aesthetics, even the glass, everything, the background. So voila, see my result. As I wanted, everything came out exactly as I wanted. So if you want to learn more about writing powerful AI prompts and creating stunning images, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. More value is coming your way. Follow this page and so you don't miss the next video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.